Okay, let us take a second example on group by and having, like using all the clause here. So this is your customers table, and now I want to have a group data for the country, and I want to know, like, the customers those credit limit is greater than 10,000. I want to group their records according to the country and the credit limit whose credit limit is greater than 1 lakh. Come on, just think on it. Okay, so we want to have a grouped about the country and the count of that. So let me write select. So first I'll go with table name from the customers table where your credit limit is greater than 1 lakh. Then I want to group that data by your product line. Sorry, group that data by country. So how many columns you want from that? So I want country column and the credit limit column and the count of the country. How many like we have according to the country, count of the country as count. Okay, let me rename this, do aliasing and execute this code. Okay. Yeah, you can see this count, which is having USA. There are 9 and 9 customers those credit limit is greater than 1 lakh. You can see this count. There are 9, there are 2 from Australia, 2 from France, and so on. So now if I write one more filter condition, that I want to know the count which is greater than 2 or greater than 3, for example, then I will be using an having filter where your count is greater than 2. And let me execute this. Now you can see you will be getting only 2 countries whose count is greater than 3 and whose credit limit is greater than obviously 1 lakh.